On WLIW, Ms. Fisher's Modern Murder Mysteries continues. On NJPBS, My Life is Murder.
This is a test. This message is for people in New Jersey only. At approximately 7:20 p.m. today, a routine test of the Salem and Hope Creek nuclear generating station's siren system was conducted. Officials from the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management advise that there is no emergency at the Salem and Hope Creek nuclear generating stations. For additional information, refer to the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management website at www.ready.nj.gov or the Salem and Hope Creek Emergency Plan Information Brochure. Delaware residents should contact the Delaware Emergency Management Agency. This is a test.
Let's go and explore.
It's possible for us to make dreams come true.